Hi everyone, we are from Group 65 and I am Tharuka PV. Our project title is An Alternative Solution for Electric Water Heat. This slide shows the content of our presentation. Introduction. Water heaters have had a great evolution from the last centuries. There are different types of water heaters in the market and the commonly used one in nowadays is the electric water heater. But still there are major problems with the electric water heater. This slide shows the importance of our project. In here, we are finding an environmental friendly alternative to the electric water heater, which eliminates the disadvantages of the product like high energy consumption and high environmental pollution. This slide shows the raw materials used when manufacturing the electric water heater. Some of the materials used are zinc, aluminium, magnesium, copper, PVC, steel, and etc. And all the things used for the manufacturing purposes are non-renewable things. This slide shows the properties of the electric water heater. In here, we are mainly considering about the volume, operating voltage, power consumption, maximum temperature, and size. There are different models with different volumes. So the so the operating voltage, size, and the power consumption differs with the size of volume. Normally, the operating voltages are like 220 to 240 volts and 110 to 120 volts. Commonly, the maximum temperature is around 82 degrees Celsius. This slide shows the flow chart of how the electric water heater is made. When talking about when considering about the main steps, first the tank made of nickel, copper, and aluminium is welded vertically to make it rigid. Later on, it's tested for leaks by pressurizing the tank with water. Further, the heating element is fixed to the tank, then the insulation cover and the outer cover, which gives us the solid electric water heater at the end. Users and applications. Uh, there are many uses and applications of hot water. Mainly, we have separated it into 5 categories like industrial users, cooking, cleaning purposes, sterilizing purposes, and day-to-day use. When talking about the users in industrial scale, hot water is mainly used in textile garments to dye and to print in clothes, for sterilizing purposes in hospitals, to sterilize surgical scissors and other surgical instruments, and in restaurants to clean cutlery and plates. Mm, and the best way to remove the stains in clothes and in floors is the hot water. Mm, and hot water is used in experimental labs to clean the boots and gloves. Problems with the product. In this process, we have 4 main stages like extraction of raw materials, manufacturing the product, using the product, and demolition. And its impacts are further divided into 3 categories like environmental, social, and economically wise. This slide shows the alternatives available for electric water heater. Uh, and in here, they are mapped with the problems addressed before. High energy consumption. There are 4 alternatives for high energy consumption, which are solar powered heaters, LP gas water heaters, hybrid water heaters, and condensing water heaters. Uh, when talking about minimizing the maintenance cost, the only alternative is the solar water heater. Reducing environmental pollution, we have 2 alternatives as solar water heater and hybrid water heater. Uh, when talking about the less use of non-renewable energy, the only alternative available is the solar water heat. From here onwards, my friend Fernando will continue the presentation.
Thank you, Taruga. This is Fernando GFT. Let's focus our proposed alternative. When going through pros and cons with the existing alternatives, finally we decided to select the solar water heater. This alternative will solve the following problems: high energy usage, high maintenance cost, and CO2 emissions to air, which causes air pollution. How the solar powered water heaters can replace the electric water heaters? It was it works efficiency as the electric water heater, and it reduces our electricity bill by 60% than normally and reduce the carbon footprint. What are the benefits and achieved? Mm, Solar heater waters saves money from energy bills and from unwanted maintenance and reduce environment pollution and global warming. This slide shows discussion. We were able to overcome the higher level of energy consumptions, environmental pollutions, and resources diminution due to electric water heater by using the solar water heater. Solar water heater is product with a long life span which is environmental friendly and which reduce carbon footprint. Here is the conclusion. Finally, after testing and reviews, we concluded the eco-friendly solar water heater, which uses the renewable energy sunlight, is capable of replacing the existing electric water heaters from performance and from efficiency. Here are some references that we used to get information during this project. This is the end of our presentation, and thank you all of you.